Hey guys, welcome back to another video of PowerApps. So in my previous video, we have discussed the approval center, and in that approval center, we created a button. Using that action button, user can take an action on that claim. If you didn't watch my previous video, then before proceeding, watch first. And this is part 8, I think, of a claim system. And in this part 8, we will see how a user that has raised a claim can track the status of his claim. All right. So here we having all the requests, and here if I want that what is the status of my request, I can see here that complete transaction flow. Okay, so this request is submitted by Anil Kumar, that is by me, and this is the date and time, and this is approved by Sunil and the comments of the Sunil. Okay, and here you can see waiting for settle desk and waiting for settle. All right, so the same thing we will achieve in this video today. All right, so let's jump on the video. Here you can see we were working on this screen. This was our approval center that we have discussed last time. Okay, now in this video we are going to create all claim screen, and here I will insert a button. This is gal claim, and here I will insert a button, and the text of this button will be track status. Track status, and the color of this button I will change. That will be something like this. Okay, and here I will make the size little bit small and up. Okay, so if you'll see here, this is looks something same. All right, so here what I will do, I will go in this claim and I will add a selector from here. That will be rectangle. This rectangle, rectangle. All right, so on this rectangle I will make the width, okay, similar to the gallery. Either you can do a height of width, or as the responsive. So that width, suppose I will make it like this. Okay, and the X should be responsive, because if it will be opened in a mobile or in tablet or in laptop, so that should come up in the center. So for that, what I will do, I will go and see gal claim dot width divide by 2, okay, minus rectangle 3 dot width divided by 2. Okay, now it will come in the center. All right, the height also we have fixed that height of the gallery. Even if you will go and you can change the height from here. Okay, so here you will see height and width. Okay, the width, if you want, you can provide the width of the gallery according to your control, what kind of control you are providing. And here you can fix the height as gal claim dot height. Okay, now see, it will look like this. All right, now here I will add one more rectangle, and the use of this rectangle I will discuss you later. For now I will copy and will paste here. Okay, this rectangle will be in full of the width. So even I can go and change the width as gal claim dot width. Okay, and it will go on the order as send to back. Okay, now this rectangle, what I will do, I will go and make the home and the fill will be white. Okay, now here I will drop the controls here. So the control I will put first level. I told you you can do it responsive. For the responsiveness, I will create a new video. So that video I will discuss how you can do the things responsive. Okay, so for that I will go and add transaction flow hyphen and space ampersand that cal my system is going to hang up. Gal clean dot selected dot claim name. Okay, so here you can see the claim name, and I'll go on the property, I'll make it on center. Okay, now I'll go on the home and I will change the fill as something different, and it will go on till 18. Oh, 18, and this will be bold, and this will be let to black. Okay, so now it's look like this, right? Now one more thing that we have to add here is check badge. Drop this here, and after that I will add a one more label here. Okay, and that label, and here I will go in the icon and I'll add the vertical line. The vertical line, this is the vertical line here. All right, and here in the text of this button will be submitted by and space ampersand gal claim dot selected dot created y dot display name. Okay, and on when this record was created, that we will provide here gal ampersand gal claim dot selected dot created. Okay, so this is the created date. All right, so here if you will see, it will look like this. Okay, the same. Okay, we are trying to achieve this. Okay, now what I will do, this label, this icon, and this label, I will create a group. Okay, so here is the group 2. Now I will copy and paste this group. Okay, so okay, cool. Now one more time I will paste. One more time I will paste. Fine. From the last I will remove. Okay, so look, this is looking good. Now what I will do, this is the text. Now I need to just change the text value. Okay, so for the second, we have created this SharePoint list, and in the SharePoint list we having all the columns that we have discussed already. Okay, so if you will see here, we have in this status value, and the status value is waiting for settled as, waiting for manager, and settled. So these all 3 or 4 status we having, and here we having manager name, settled as name, manager comments, and settled as comments. Okay, on the basis of this status we will create this flow. Okay, so for that, here what I will do, I will go and change this. Okay, so here I will say, I will copy this first. If gal claim dot selected dot value of dot status dot value equals to waiting for manager. Okay, then the value will be waiting for or pending for manager, pending with manager. Okay, else pending with manager, else it will be approved by manager, and the value of the manager name, gal claim dot selected dot manager dot display name. Okay, and here also I will paste the append the comments. Okay, so here will be, I'll make some space, comments, comment space, and the comments of the user means the manager dot, oh, I need to put here ampersand, manager comments. Okay, fine. So here if you will see, look, approved by manager Nitesh Kumar, comments approved by Nitesh manager. So these were the comments of this for this request. Okay, so let me just do it a hyphen. Okay, now the level, that is show the status of the settled as user. Okay, so same we have to provide here as well. If galclaim dot selected dot status dot value equals to waiting for manager. Okay, or either if the request is waiting for manager or request is waiting for settled task. Settled task. Then in this case, what should be the status? The status will be waiting for settled task or pending with settled task. Okay. Else what should be happen if the status will not be waiting for manager or waiting for settled task, then what should be the value of this label? The value of this label will be manager dot, actually here will be settled task dot display name. Okay. And comments space hyphen ampersand dot settled as comments. All right. So here, if you will see, right now we have not selected any value. If we will select, then we will see the data, correct data. Okay. Now the third one, the last one. For the last one, I will copy this. I will copy and will paste here. Okay. So if gal claim, that value will be either waiting for manager or waiting for settled desk, then it will be waiting for settle, else it will be settled. Okay. Or we can make it very small. If this value is basically approved or settled. Okay, I think this is the value, settled. Okay. If this value is settled for this status, then we will see approved. Okay. Or settled. Else what we will say, waiting for settle. Okay. And here I will append date waiting for settle on and the date of settlement. So means gal claim dot selected dot modified, means last modified. So when it will be last modified, that will be the date when this item got changed or modified. Or first. Okay. For first, color. Okay. So here the what should be the color? So basically we have to make a color as green. Okay. And in which case we will make a green and in which case we will make a gray. So this will be, this color will be always green. Okay. So this will be always green. And for group 2, what will be the color? The color will be, if gal claim dot selected dot status dot value equals to waiting for settled desk, waiting for settled desk, or or waiting for or settled, then green, else gray. Okay, now for the this one. Okay, so for this one I will go on the color, then it will be green, else it will be gray. Okay, and finally for the last also it will be same. Okay, if the status value of this settled, it will be if status value will be settled, then it will be green, else it will be gray. Fine. Now one more thing, that this cross button, so on this cross button I will create a variable, update context, and where popup equals to false. Okay, and I will go on this button, select, that will be true. Okay, right now on this group, go and there popup. Okay, so when I will click on this, click on track status, settle, waiting for settle desk. All right, so now you can see the status is coming as expected. What I want to do only one more thing, and that will be you know go on this rectangle, group 3, and on this rectangle, and here will be fill. Okay, so whenever we will click on this, then what should be the fill color? So I will type RGBA and 256 256 256 comma 1. Okay, so now whenever I will click on this, and the background, so the background should be something blurred kind of thing. Okay, so for that background, what we have to do, that we have to change the fill color of this last rectangle, okay, that we have added right now. Okay, so for that, go and fill, and here will be 56, 96, 178, and there will be 0.3. Okay, whenever we will click on that pop-up, then this rectangle should be displayed. All right. Okay, so can you see the color that is changing on this click button? Okay, so I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.